everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a beautiful set of Sharpie marble nails. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going in with this Perfect White gel polish by GLAM, and I'm applying that on her index fingers, and then I'm also doing the ring finger on both hands. Once again, this is Perfect White by GLAM, and it is a gel polish. Alrighty, so for the rest of the nails, we're going to go in with that really pretty baby blue, which is in the color Amor Azul, which is also by GLAM, and it is a gel polish as well. And to clean around the cuticle area and to clean up my lines on this ring finger, I'm using my OPI gel brush, but you can use any little cleanup brush that you have. I misplaced my cleanup brush that I have, so I have to find it, but I'm just using this little cleanup brush or this gel brush. But like I said, you can really use any small brush that you have. I'm just dipping it into acetone, and then I'm wiping it off before I clean the nail. That way it's not just soaking and running everywhere, and then I'm just cleaning up my lines. Okay, so after this, I'm going to cure this hand for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go to the other hand and do the same thing. We're doing the Perfect White on the ring finger and the index finger, and then we're doing the Amor Azul on the rest of the nails. Once again, they are both gel polishes, so we are curing each hand for 30 seconds after each coat. Okay, so now we're going back to that first hand and we're doing a second coat. As you can see, just that one coat has a really good coverage, and that's what I like about GLAM. For one, they go on really good. The coverage is just perfect. So once again, I'm doing a second coat, and then we're going to cure them for another 30 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going in and picking my colors that I'm gonna use. So these are just regular Sharpies. So I'm gonna go in and just draw on the nail, and you could do all the colors all at once and then just marble them around, but I'm doing a color at a time to make sure that they look good. So once again, as you can see, I kind of just scribble on the nail and then I dip my brush into acetone and then dab it. You want to make sure that you wipe your brush off a little bit before you dab the actual color, because you don't want it to just run everywhere. You want it to be damp, not soak. So after this, we're just doing each color like I said, and then we're also going to do the same thing on the ring finger. So same thing for this one. I'm doing the color first and then I'm dabbing it with the acetone, and then I'm just doing the other colors as I go. And then I am going to go back and clean around the sides with that same brush, just in case I get any of that color over on the clear part. And then the other way to do it is to just go ahead and do all the colors on the nail and then go back and dab them with the acetone, but whatever works for you is fine. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my black nail art paint by Broadway, and these are the ones that I get from my local Dollar General. They're only $1 and they're really good. So I'm just outlining that triangle, and then I'm also going to outline the rest of the nail, and then I'm just going to draw random lines. Once again, this is my black nail art paint by Broadway, and it is regular polish. And for these lines, I'm not going to do them in any type of order. I'm literally just drawing random little lines all over the sides. Okay, and then for this nail, as you can see, I'm just literally outlining the whole nail and with that same black nail art paint. so now I'm gonna go back and add some bling. So I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin, which is a glue, and then with my wax pencil I'm picking up my bling. So I'm using my SS6 and my SS12, and these are the same ones that I sell on my website. As you guys know, my website is still down for restocking. I've been really busy, but whenever I get back to it, I will keep you guys updated. Then after I finish applying the bling, I go back with my Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator, which is what you see me spray here, and that's just to help the glue dry. This glue do take a little bit longer to dry if you don't use the activator. So with the activator, it literally freezes that glue into place, so I highly recommend that you get that if you're using the Mia Secret Gel Resin. Okay, so now I'm going in with my IBD gel top coat, and we're going to do that on all the nails, and then we're going to cure each hand for 60 seconds. Alrighty y'all, so this is the final look. They turned out really pretty. All of those colors look flawless together, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32, and I'll see you guys next time.